Maar ik moest ook niet geweten, is die naweek. Ik heb gedroogd is niks naweek.
Programming is updated and launched a Halloween update. And so yeah, and launch these two cards, which you need to collect the points. Some coins by the items. The Halloween event. Also, daylight. Let's go to the airport. Yeah, the police station. The farthest way. So here we go. They also launched this alien rocket ship. So everyone's basically getting it. Come on, get out of the way. Thanks. So yeah, alien ship that you can drive. It's pretty cool. Yeah, only I think only VIPs can get it. Yeah. And look at it also launched new blocks. So yeah, Halloween blocks and yeah. So yes, so this is a Halloween update, guys. So what do you think? Yeah. So we're going now. And so yeah. Oh, why is the alien here? So yeah. This is the new update, guys. And do you want to go check what is in there? So yeah. We're gonna check now. So I'm a VIP. And you can only get this when you got VIP. Beware. Pawns is how to discover the floors, the secrets of the upper floor. So, I'm gonna see what it means. As jy 'n gemeente se rekening dan moet jy maar 'n 10% bysit. Natuurlik ja, wat kos $3. I'm not gonna do that now, but there's a new update of Brookhaven. So we're gonna test some secrets also. If you come to the hospital, if you come here, you can go in the secret passage. So let's get our ladder. So here's our ladder. So we can place it there. Alright. Then probably and that, so yep. So here we go here. And lots of stuff, but we're not gonna look at that. We're gonna look at the hospital. So that's activated now. So yeah, we're gonna go the owl from the way down. Come on, where's this thing? Yeah.
Vergeet om te betalen.
Yeah, we go. Come in to the pharmacy, go in there, and you will see the X-ray room. Yeah. And go in there, and you can do X-ray. Oh, I'm in the X-ray. Yeah.
De professor. Daar ben je op iets.
Yeah. You can go here and click on the note.
Ik zei de professor als
And then like this, and then click under the table. We'll see a blue button and we press it. It makes the sound and that the secret room. So yeah, that's it. Wow. And so this is another reason Jinsi Bunker. So yeah. This is gonna be the day, guys. So if you want to have me on Roblox, you don't need to pay. Just says ice cream mansis in the server and yep, and then where's your Roblox?